This is Helleborus niger, or Christmas rose. It's a euphorbia and it flowers at the darkest, coldest time of year. We're just at the beginning of November. These are starting to flower now. They'll flower through November, through December, into January, even into late February. It's a very, very hardy plant. Frost, snow, ice, wind and rain doesn't bother this. And even when it hasn't got these beautiful flowers, it always has this fantastic evergreen foliage. It'll grow in dappled shade, it'll grow in full shade. It likes a moisture retentive soil, and it'll even attract those midwinter pollinators on those milder days. You might get the odd bee buzzing around these gorgeous stamens that are completely smothered in pollen. You can grow these in the open ground. You can also grow them in pots and containers. But did you know you can also keep these indoors over the festive period for a little while, only about a week or so, but enjoy these, put them on a nice bright windowsill, somewhere reasonably cool, keep them moist, and then after the Christmas period, plant them back outside. That's where they're going to be really happy. That's where they're going to survive long term. And if you'd love one or a number of these stunningly beautiful, long-lived, hardy plants, they're available for you here at YouGarden.